How to lock apps on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock your apps on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that your iPhone is up to date to its latest version. So head over to your settings for that. Head over to your general. After you're on your general, you should see an option called software update. Tap on it and you should find your current version of software in your iPhone. Now, if your version is lesser than 8.18, you will need to upgrade to newer version. So make sure that your iOS is 18 or greater. After you've done that, what you'll need to do is you can simply head over to any app that you want to lock. After you find the app, so let's say I'm gonna lock my Facebook, what I'll do is I'll just long press on Facebook. After a long press on Facebook, there is an option called Require Face ID. I'll just enable that, tap on Require Face ID, and now every time I open up my Facebook, I will need to verify with my Face ID. So that is how you can lock your app on iPhone as well. As you can see, every time I try to open Facebook, it will ask me for my Face ID, and without that my Facebook is just locked. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.